So here is my matumbo ready. This is the outcome. Wow, just look at it. Wow. Wow. So I'm going to serve it with ugali and skuma. You can also serve it with chapo, rice. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My good name is Loving Night and we are in Loving Kitchen today. So we are going to prepare wet fry matumbo. As you can see, here is my matumbo. I've already boiled it, and of course I'm just going to use tomato and onions, just like that. Tomato and onions only. So I'm not going to use today any spice. Yeah, I just want it to be that natural taste. Imesha dry, so the next thing tunaenda kuweka oil. Guys, let me tell you something. Nitona tu oil kwa sufuria juu siwezi mwaga oil nikivlog. Yeah, I'm the one holding the camera, and at the same time I'm the one cooking. Struggle. We are going to fry it until it's golden brown. Yeah, it's a struggle over here. Just know I'm doing this for you people. Don't forget that recipe, and at the same time now hold the camera, but we are going to do this. We are sorry. We are sorry. Oh God. Okay. Golden brown. Nimerealize nimeka mafuta nyingi but hiyo nitatumia kupika skuma. Yeah, but let's fry it until it's golden brown. At this point I think let me punguza mafuta, then I add some onion. Just see, hey, maybe ya mafuta. Wow. But nitatumia kupika skuma, so itaenda waste. Acha nipunguze, then niweke some onions, because I think at this point zimetan hadi zimeshrink. Yeah, so nimetoa mafuta, nataka kuweka onions sasa. Sikia vile ni crunchy. Hii njugu, hii ni matumbo. Yeah, zinafaa zikuwepo crunchy. Yeah, so nimeka my onions until they turn golden brown, then we add nyanya na salt na a little bit of water, tufunike chemke kidogo, then yeah, we can now eat our matumbo. Then nime add my nyanya, tufunike ndio zibondeke vizuri. Yeah guys, I'm sorry sikuwa na hoho nimeletwa sahi, so apology for that. So I'm going to add just some hoho. I've added just half of it. Yep. Next time I'll wait for everything, then nianze video. So I've already placed in it the salt, so I'm going to leave it for 2 minutes, then we toy. I just want it to be wet fried. Chicken zabiro. So here is my matumbo ready. This is the outcome. Wow, just look at it. Wow, wow. So I'm going to serve it with ugali and skuma. You can also serve it with chapo, rice, but I'm going for ugali. And guys, bye. Show some love by subscribing to my channel. Hit that notification bell so when I upload video, you are among my gang team. See you on my next video. Bye bye.